Volvo is one of the largest medium to heavy-duty truck brands in the world. More than 95% of the trucks Volvo build are over 16 tons. And they make vehicles that are sold and serviced in more than 130 countries all over the world. Volvo is the pioneers in vehicle safety. They are conducting vehicle safety researches and are constantly improving the safety in road. Volvo gave the world the 3-point seatbelt. The milestones of Volvo pioneering also include the introduction of the first safety cab. ABS brakes as standard and airbags. In fact, our innovations very often relate to safety. Volvo is the leader in traffic safety, and their vision is that no truck is to be involved in an accident. They established our accident research team in 1969 and have been at the front line of safety ever since, pioneering innovations that prevent accidents and reduce injuries. Not only for the driver, for everyone. Why? Volvo trucks are the best in safety. Safety is deeply imprinted in Volvo trucks' DNA. It is simply what they do. Create features and solutions that benefit the safety of everyone in traffic. The vision is that no Volvo truck will be involved in an accident. Here are 25 ways Volvo trucks makes the roads safer. Connected safety. With connected safety, Volvo vehicles can exchange information with each other. This is an important key to improved road safety. They can exchange information about the traffic situation, which will lower the risk of accidents. With connected safety, Volvo opens the doors to the future. Volvo dynamic steering with lane keeping assist. If the truck unintentionally approaches the lane marks, the Volvo dynamic steering with lane keeping assist system steps in and helps the driver to steer the truck back into the lane. The system can also alert the driver with a gentle vibration through the steering wheel. The system works at speeds over 55 km per hour. Driver alert support. Driver alert support is a system that tracks the driver's driving behavior. If the behavior differs from normal and indicates tiredness, the driver is alerted by a signal and a message in the display, advising the driver to take a break. Electronic stability program. Volvo trucks' electronic stability program reduces the risk of skidding and rollovers. If a dangerous situation arises, the system helps reducing engine power and applies brakes to each wheel of the truck and trailer separately. Low noise levels. The Volvo FH is designed with an aerodynamic design together with silences and insulation that make this a truck with low noise level. This leads to less stress for the driver who can stay focused on the driving. Collision warning with emergency brake. The collision warning with emergency brake uses a camera and a radar to detect objects ahead. If the truck gets too close to the vehicle in front, the collision warning with emergency brake steps in and alerts the driver. If necessary, the system activates the brakes to avoid a collision. Stretch brakes. The stretch brakes is a system to prevent jackknifing. The stretch brakes works by applying braking pulses to the trailer, which stretch the vehicle combination. It works at speeds up to 50 km per hour. Volvo dynamic steering with personal settings. The Volvo dynamic steering with personal settings allows the driver to choose from 4 predefined settings that dictate how light or heavy the steering is, allowing drivers to adjust to different road conditions and preferences. Drivers can also set exactly the steering wheel resistance they want for a comfortable, relaxed and safe driving experience. Volvo dynamic steering with stability assist. The Volvo dynamic steering with stability assist helps to minimize the risk of skidding, even if just slight tendencies of skidding are detected. The system steps in and helps the driver to gently steer in the opposite direction to stabilize the vehicle. See and be seen. See and be seen is a global Volvo Trucks initiative to improve safety in the interaction between pedestrians, cyclists and truck drivers. Through different activities, Volvo Trucks wants to increase the awareness in the traffic to see and be seen. Visibility. Limited visibility can be a significant safety hazard for all truck drivers and other road users. Volvo truck cabs are designed to offer maximum visibility with features like large windows and view mirrors. Escape hatch. The escape hatch that is included in every Volvo FH can be used if the cab doors are blocked. The escape hatch also works as a sunroof and allows more light in the cab. Energy absorbing cab. If the truck is involved in a rollover accident or a head-on collision, the reinforced cab transfers energy backwards. This means that it maintains a vital survival space inside the cab for the driver. Front underrun protection system. The difference in height between a car and a truck has always been a safety problem in traffic. To minimize serious injuries, if a front-on collision between a car and a truck happens, Volvo Trucks has developed the front underrun protection system for trucks. In case of a collision, the crumple zone at the truck retracts 200 mm. This way, the driver and passengers in the car have an increased survival rate. Adaptive cruise control. The adaptive cruise control helps you keep a safe distance to the vehicle in front of you. It also warns you if any threat is detected in front of the truck and activates the emergency brake if you get too close. Lane keeping support. Drifting out of lane is a common cause of serious accidents among truck drivers. With the lane keeping support, the road markings are tracked with a camera and the system alerts the driver if he or she unintentionally crosses them. Rigorous quality tests. During development of the Volvo FH, rigorous quality tests are done. Here at Hållered Proving Ground, in Sweden, Volvo Trucks performs various tests. Establish awareness. For Volvo Trucks, it is important to establish awareness about safety. For instance, in the Netherlands, Volvo safety trucks were used as demo trucks by dealers. They used the trucks to inform customers about the safety system that is offered by Volvo Trucks, which include electronic stability program, lane keeping support, driver alert support, lane change support and adaptive cruise control. Stop, look, wave. Since children are the most vulnerable persons in traffic, Volvo Trucks introduced the Stop, Look, Wave campaign in 2015. The campaign aimed to increase children's knowledge about the dangers they face in traffic every day. Accident Research Team. Did you know that Volvo Trucks has its own accident research team? The Accident Research Team has studied and analyzed more than 1,700 accidents involving trucks since 1969. They look at different variables involved in the collision. The information is invaluable for future research and for the development of new safety-related solutions. Collision test. Volvo Trucks has done thousands of simulated collisions and about 100 real crash tests. The tests have helped Volvo Trucks engineers to develop one of the safest truck cabs in the world. Airbag. In 1995, Volvo Trucks became the first manufacturer of heavy-duty trucks that introduced the driver airbag. The airbag aims to protect the driver from forces of a head-on collision. Seat belt. Using seat belt is an easy way to keep safe if an accident happens. The seat belt was introduced in Volvo Trucks vehicles in the 1970s. The Swedish cab impact test, barrier test, rollover test, sled test, head impact test. The Swedish cab ensures that no stones are unturned while making sure that Volvo FH is as safe as possible. Even the coffee machine is crash tested so that nothing inside the cab will injure you if you have an accident. Cab construction. Every Volvo Trucks cab and sleeper is made with a high-strength steel HSS. This gives Volvo truck cabs the highest strength-to-weight ratio in the industry. And it helps making us the only manufacturer that meets or exceeds the standards of the Swedish impact test.